So we got cut off when I was switching over to the Dow. So we'll take a look at the Dow here. And as you can see on the daily chart, I went ahead and identified my most recent impulse up, correction down. And based on the projections, we have an upside target right now on this move up of 35,977. I do believe this is a much more bullish index than what we saw on the NASDAQ. And the reason why is we got similar setup to what we saw on the S&P, where prices made new lows, but the index made higher lows, indicating less bearish momentum and a positive divergence. After the positive divergence, you can see we had a low made in price. However, the RSI was above 40. That's a confirmation of a bullish trend reversal. So we're reversing to a bullish trend. We have higher lows, higher highs, and are likely to move until we reach that 35,977 target at this point. If you're not already in, there is a possibility of a buy on a pullback. And the nearest correction that we could possibly see for demand would be to 34,343. Although honestly, probably looking at a smaller time frame for an entry here. So if we go to a 240-minute chart, let's see what we have. We have possibly some rally-based rallies here as we're breaking out to some new highs. So no signs of weakness in the momentum whatsoever. Very, very strong price action here on the Dow. However, on our move up to the 35,977, should we pull back, we might have a buying opportunity at 34,989, I believe it is. I'll take a look at that in a moment. And also just below that, you have another zone. So really we have zone on zone. And let me just fix Fibonacci so we don't have to see that 61.8 in the way. There we go. Much better. So yeah, we're looking about 34,939 to 34,885. And then another zone just below that. Let me just go ahead and clean up. So 885 down to 787 is the lower zone. The upper zone, as I was mentioning, is right here. 875 to 939. You have rally base and that explosive move up that took us to new highs. So really, that's what I would look for an opportunity to enter is a pullback to the 34,939 for the long with a stop loss below 875, targeting 35,977 on the 4-hour time frame. You can drop down to a 60-minute chart to see if there's anything there, but it doesn't really look like it. I think that was still the best opportunity, again, on that 4-hour. You can go ahead and take a look at the Russell as our last futures index, RTY, Z2021. And I'll start off on the bigger picture. We'll go out to a daily chart.